Welcome to Inside Daily English.
Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inside Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello, hello.
How are you today?
I'm good, Emma, but it's raining outside.
Oh, yes. I hear the rain, too.
Do you like rainy days?
I do. I really do. Rain makes me feel calm.
Calm. Yes, that's a good word. I feel calm, too.
When it rains, everything slows down. The world becomes quiet.
That's true. People walk slower. Cars move slower.
Even time feels slower.
I like that. Slow is good sometimes.
You know, this morning, I woke up early. I heard raindrops on my window.
That's a beautiful sound.
It is. Tap, tap, tap. Very gentle, very soft.
Like nature's music.
Exactly. I didn't want to leave my bed.
I understand. Rainy mornings are special.
They are so cozy and peaceful.
Today, we want to talk about rainy afternoons. Those quiet, soft moments.
Yes, when you sit by the window, when you drink tea, when you just think.
Those moments are special.
They really are.
So today, let's talk together about rain, about quiet afternoons, about how rain makes us feel.
And we'll share some simple, beautiful English expressions.
Expressions you can use every day.
That's right. So get comfortable. Maybe you're listening at home. Maybe you're on a bus.
Maybe you're walking. Maybe you're resting.
Wherever you are, we're here with you.
And we're so happy you're here.
Let's begin this rainy afternoon together.
Yes, let's begin.
So, Alex, it's raining today.
Yes, it is. I love this weather.
Me too. This morning, I woke up and heard the rain on my window.
Oh, that sound, it's so peaceful.
Peaceful, yes. I stayed in bed for a few more minutes, just listening.
That's nice. I did the same thing. I didn't want to get up.
I know that feeling. Rain makes me want to stay home.
Stay home, drink coffee, read a book.
Exactly. What did you do this morning?
I made breakfast. Slowly, very slowly.
What did you make?
Toast with butter and honey and hot tea.
That sounds perfect.
It was. I sat by the window and watched the rain.
I love doing that. Watching the rain is like watching a movie.
Yes, every raindrop tells a story.
Oh, that's beautiful, Alex.
Thank you. What about you? What did you do?
I made tea, too. Green tea. And I looked outside.
What did you see?
I saw people with umbrellas, red umbrellas, blue umbrellas, yellow umbrellas.
Colorful.
Yes, they looked like flowers in the rain.
I love that image. Umbrellas, like flowers.
Rain makes everything look different. More beautiful, I think.
I agree. The colors are brighter when it rains.
The air smells fresh, too.
Oh, yes. That smell after rain, it's amazing.
We call it petrichor, but that's a difficult word.
Yes, too difficult. Let's just say the smell of rain.
The smell of rain. That's simple and nice.
I love that smell. It smells like nature, like earth.
Like the world is clean again.
Yes. Everything feels new after rain.
Do you remember rainy days from your childhood?
Oh, many. I remember playing in the rain with my friends.
Really? Your parents let you?
Sometimes, not always, but sometimes we just ran outside.
That sounds fun.
It was. We jumped in puddles. We got very wet.
Puddles are fun.
They are small puddles, big puddles. We jumped in all of them.
I did that too. My mom always said, "Don't get wet," but I did anyway.
Of course you did. That's what kids do.
Yes, we didn't care about wet clothes. We just wanted to play.
Being a kid is wonderful like that.
It is. No worries, just fun.
And then we went inside. We changed our clothes. We drank hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate on a rainy day. Perfect.
Those are good memories.
They are. Rain always brings back memories.
For me, too. I remember sitting with my grandmother. We watched the rain together.
That's sweet.
She told me stories about her life, about when she was young.
What kind of stories?
Stories about her school days, about her friends, about rainy days in her village.
I love hearing old stories.
Me too. They connect us to the past.
To people we love.
Yes, those afternoons with my grandmother were special.
They were very special. I miss her.
I understand. But you have those memories.
Yes, rain helps me remember.
That's beautiful, Emma.
Thank you. Do you think rain makes people feel emotional?
I think so. Rain makes us think. It makes us remember.
It makes us slow down.
Yes. In our busy lives, rain gives us a break.
A break to breathe, to rest, to feel.
Exactly. That's why I love rainy afternoons.
Me too. Today feels like that. Quiet and gentle.
Perfect for talking and sharing.
Yes, perfect for us and perfect for everyone listening.
You know what I like to do on rainy afternoons?
What?
I like to listen to music. Soft music. Quiet songs.
Oh, that sounds nice.
It matches the rain. Everything becomes one sound.
The rain outside, the music inside.
Exactly. It's very peaceful.
I like to read on rainy afternoons.
What do you read?
Stories, sometimes poetry, sometimes just simple books.
Reading by the window?
Yes, with a cup of tea beside me.
That's a perfect picture.
It is. These are life's simple pleasures.
Simple, but so important.
They give us joy. They give us peace.
And we don't need money for them.
No, we just need time and attention.
That's the key. Attention.
Yes, being present in the moment.
Not thinking about yesterday, not worrying about tomorrow.
Just being here now with the rain.
That's mindfulness, right?
Yes, but we don't need big words. We just need to feel it.
Feel the moment.
Feel the rain, feel the quiet.
I love that.
Now, let's talk about some expressions. Simple expressions for rainy days.
Good idea. Let's start with the first one.
It's pouring.
It's pouring. This means it's raining very hard.
Very, very hard, like water from a bucket.
Yes, listen. It's pouring outside. I need an umbrella.
It's pouring. Let's say it together. It's pouring.
It's pouring.
Good. When do you use this?
When the rain is strong, when you look outside and think, wow, that's a lot of rain.
Exactly. It's pouring.
You can also say, it's pouring rain.
Yes, both are correct. It's pouring. It's pouring rain.
Easy to remember.
Next expression. I'm soaked.
I'm soaked. This means you are very wet.
Completely wet. Your clothes, your hair, everything.
Listen, I forgot my umbrella. Now I'm soaked.
I'm soaked. Let's practice. I'm soaked.
I'm soaked.
This happened to me last week. I walked home in the rain, no umbrella.
And you were soaked?
Completely soaked. My shoes, my pants, everything.
Oh no.
That's okay. I changed my clothes. I was fine.
But it's not comfortable, right?
No, being soaked is not fun.
That's why we say, I'm soaked with a little complaint in our voice.
Yes, it's not happy, but it's honest.
Good. Okay, next expression. Let's stay in.
Let's stay in. This means let's stay home. Let's not go outside.
Listen, it's raining hard. Let's stay in today.
Let's stay in. Together now. Let's stay in.
Let's stay in.
I love this expression. It's so cozy.
Cozy, yes. Staying in on a rainy day feels cozy.
You can wear comfortable clothes. You can relax.
You can cook something warm. You can watch a movie.
all the good things.
Perfect. Next one. The rain is calming.
The rain is calming. Calming means peaceful. It makes you feel relaxed.
Listen, I love rainy days. The rain is calming.
The rain is calming. Let's say it. The rain is calming.
The rain is calming.
Do you find rain calming, Emma?
I do. Very calming. How about you?
Me too. The sound, the smell, everything is calming.
Some people don't like rain. They think it's sad.
That's true, but we think it's calming.
Yes, it depends on how you see it.
Beautiful. Last expression for today. Cozy weather.
Cozy weather. This is weather that makes you want to stay home and be comfortable.
Yes, warm blankets, hot drinks, good books.
Listen, it's raining today. Perfect cozy weather.
Cozy weather. Together. Cozy weather.
Cozy weather.
I think today is cozy weather.
Definitely very cozy.
So let's review. We learned 5 expressions today.
It's pouring. Very heavy rain.
I'm soaked. Very wet.
Let's stay in. Let's stay home.
The rain is calming. Rain is peaceful.
Cozy weather. Weather for staying home comfortably.
These are simple expressions, but they're very useful.
You can use them today, tomorrow, anytime it rains.
Try them, practice them, make them yours.
Yes, English is not just about learning, it's about feeling.
Feel the words, feel the meaning.
That's the best way to learn.
And remember, it's okay if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
We all make mistakes, even native speakers.
So don't worry, just practice.
Practice with joy, not with stress.
Exactly. Enjoy the process.
You know, Alex, I'm really happy we talked about rain today.
Me too, Emma. It feels right. The weather, our conversation, everything.
Rain teaches us something.
What does it teach us?
It teaches us to slow down, to appreciate quiet moments.
That's true. We're always so busy, always rushing.
But rain says, wait, stop, look around.
I like that. Rain is like a friend.
A gentle friend.
Yes, a friend who reminds us to rest.
And to remember. Rain helps us remember beautiful things.
Old memories, happy times.
People we love.
That's special.
It is. I hope everyone listening feels that too.
I hope so. Maybe you're thinking about someone right now.
Maybe you're remembering a happy, rainy day.
That's wonderful. Hold on to that feeling.
These quiet moments matter.
They do. They really do.
Life is not only about big moments, about big achievements.
No, life is also about small moments, like this afternoon,
Like watching rain, like drinking tea.
like talking with a friend.
Yes, these small moments create happiness.
They create peace.
You know what I realized today?
What?
Happiness is not always loud. It's not always exciting.
That's right. Sometimes happiness is quiet,
Like rain on a window.
like a warm cup in your hands.
Like a soft afternoon at home.
These quiet happinesses are important
Maybe more important than big ones.
because we can have them every day.
Yes, we don't need to wait for special occasions.
We can be happy now, today, this moment.
So, to everyone listening, take a moment today.
Look outside, listen to the rain.
Or if it's not raining, just breathe.
Be present, be here, be now.
That's enough. You're enough.
Beautiful, Emma.
Thank you. I mean it.
I know you do.
And I want everyone to know this too. You are enough.
You don't need to be perfect.
You don't need to do everything.
Just being here is enough.
Just living is enough.
That's a good message.
I think so. We all need to hear it sometimes.
We do. Life can be difficult.
But moments like this help.
They remind us what matters.
Peace, connection, simple joy.
Yes, all of that.
Well, friends, our time together today is ending.
But we hope you enjoyed it.
We hope you felt something.
Maybe calm, maybe peace, maybe happiness.
Rain or sunshine, we're always here with you.
Every week, every episode.
Bringing you simple English beautiful English.
English that feels like home.
Before we go, let's remember today
We talked about rainy afternoons, about quiet moments,
about memories, about feelings.
and we learned some useful expressions.
We hope you'll use them
And we hope you'll come back next time.
because we have more to share. More stories, more English.
More cozy conversations.
Yes, so take care of yourself.
Stay warm, stay happy.
And remember, every day is a chance to learn something new.
A chance to feel something beautiful.
If it's raining where you are, enjoy it.
If it's sunny, enjoy that too.
Every weather is beautiful in its own way,
Just like every day is special,
just like every person is special.
including you.
Yes, you are special. You are important.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for being here.
We'll see you soon, very soon.
Until then, be kind to yourself
Be patient with your English learning.
and enjoy the journey.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
Soft, simple, and beautiful, always with you.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Stay cozy.
Yes, stay cozy and stay happy. See you next time.